The PeddiAssembler, powered by Zeman, is the absolute solution for steel beam assembly. This fabrication shop supercharger has been designed specifically to speed up one of the most time-consuming areas of the fabrication process. The design of the PeddiAssembler begins with an ABB tacking and welding robot, paired with a handling and parts scanning robot, forging an unbeatable combination. Assemble beams, tubes, and channels all on one machine. The whole robotic system rests on a single rail design, which maintains a small machine footprint. The compact design only occupies the space of one fitter station. Plug this robotic steel beam assembler into a fabrication shop and it's ready to roll. Most important is the design for operator safety. The hazards of fitters and welders continuously rotating material is eliminated. Load and unload with a fork truck while safely monitoring processes from a distance. Far above the design of the PeddiAssembler lies its incredible functionality. This machine was made to process large amounts of steel accurately and efficiently. The torch-mounted laser measurement allows the tacking and welding robot to identify the profile's dimensions, as well as the dimensions of existing tacked parts for perfect positioning. The crux of the PeddiAssembler is robotic welding for structural steel. This machine has the ability to place parts up to 440 pounds onto a profile as big as 30 inches wide, 16 inches tall, and up to 60 feet long. Tack and weld with single or multi-pass options up to 0.66 inch. The PeddiAssembler parts handling robot assists with scanning parts placed on the table, then switching over to the magnetic attachment. The parts handling robot is able to fit parts on all four sides of the profile with unimaginable accuracy. In order to tack on the opposite side, the PeddiAssembler automatically rotates the material, operating up to a maximum profile weight of 11,000 pounds. Material is rotated with ease and results in an overall increased project speed. Seamless shop fabrication. The control on the PeddiAssembler is outfitted with Zeman's ProFit software. This intuitive software makes robotic beam assembly simple and streamlined. Compatible with all common 3D BIM software, ProFit assists the operator throughout the entire process. From importing to creating to editing, produce a completely finished product every time.
The PeddiAssembler gives us the opportunity to fit beams, put them in a stack and pile, and give them to the welders. And while they're welding 3 or 4 or 5 welders, we're able to continue to pre-assemble beams that are right on the number. And the welders love that. They're not chasing soapstone lines and they're not flipping beams. The most impressive aspect of the machine is the quality of the weld and the speed of the assembly. It can take a heavy plate and grab it really fast with the handling arm and put it accurately where it goes. And it's right on the money.
We had a big job for that thing. The first thing it did, it was fitting columns. I wanted to say they were 14 257s, but they were big, huge columns, heavy, and the building had cold form girts. So it had a clip inside those flanges, like every 6 inches. And so that thing would just go in so smooth and get in there and weld those. Everyone just perfect. You know, you look down there and you go, holy smokes.
PeddiAssembler was designed to free up crane usage, help speed upstream CNC processes, and tackle high-volume beam, column, and tube projects. Robotic welding for steel beam assembly benefits the entire fabrication. The PeddiAssembler, on average, processes at a speed of 1.5 minutes per part, with an accuracy of 1/24th inch over a 60-foot profile. That momentum, paired with a simple loading and unloading process, will leave fitters and welders free to handle the more complex projects. No more pulling tape. No more drawing chalk lines. Load the material and hit go. The success of the steel industry is PeddiAssembler's top priority. That is why our service and support is unmatched. Request a demo, quote, visit, or call to learn more about the toughest steel fabrication machinery in the world. This is PeddiAssembler. We are stronger than steel.